See, yeah, Baba share. Yemfa something like computer. Yemfa engineer hona yenhwe how computer. Because no be rough bia muno na computer wo.
Exactly.
How is it linked to spirituality? Because you say technology be dikan aba a omgusu a omo upgrade no se na be boama ye daily activities no atimi ayemre ama yen. Na say senia yakoye say any spirituality will link bi no yenhwe no so wansem kakra.
Okay, nti ye ba computer de ebi kra CC high. I am a catch and for say computer nankasa no, right? You programming in a certain way saying BB.
Yeah.
Code near the programming. The question is why they build this code, no? I don't know who says how code when you beat me there adiri. And now you go back
to Nipan was our bang.
There be first computer by one is maybe so we see our be mini problem. But first one on me and one you because that time na say bibi ni was in
obi na de buy.
Nti nipa no de buy no. I don't know who say language. The language of the computers, the universal language of the universe, the binary system, ones and zeros. Every single thing operates are okay. So one will be sir. Bibia also around us no. Obi our study be even mathematicians be catch the language of the universe a binary system no. A ones and zeros. Inti no na omo pick here because it was teachings within the occult.
Yeah. And
not pick here the computer no. Now share even computer ni internet na. O catch them say any spiritual but when say they be the programming wo. Obo say obi obeka 3.1 and then men num cook obo share advert be 10 cook in kwan obo say na what kon do cook
yeah
like
it's me twon sir
and American
yeah
don't know who nyansa say omo ye ABCD pe wo mpese obenum cook by force obenum cook me yango bar first me fa bi daw afi dem ma share yango advert be 3 afi dem pe ba biako first up a bam team yango
okay
ma pick here we am drew location am say na me cry into pick yango and me use both you get it
yeah
and your advert na ya mo mobile me use different app there nti I don't know omo mom ne ba me team and I feel a major am say ma ha me ho pa advert am omo and I feel the editing me more amasisi ahwe na maye
and the advertising so
yes there's
a spiritual link
connotation because once a spirituality you can use it to control people like they are researcher who and for two of boase
and then is omo ye particular product be no
na Ghana ha
na so no mo fa
Ghana ha I'm not sure how omo nyoma but bro for no master sa nyoma
okay
omo ko share nkrofo nim sunsun nyoma ne psychology ne ade
no dey back here no
it's because nipa we once nipa ye wa adwen ade bi e be ko wa adwen no na AP and nkrofo nim nti eno so sunsun and ye chewo emu nti ni omo aye ne se omo hu se okay nipa we se wandwen ho a ontimi ye nti de bia ne de chewo by the chewo in a certain way
kwanya wani beje ho
okay nti even ye ba bibi ti say bibi e common part ti say edwaman
yeah
this era
ti say very common
na first na common
yeah
how about common ne say me research for over 10 years
okay
me realize say movies ni cartoons abroad for ne di ma yin na no wo hwemu na ye wo quotes bi a signify for sex in kwam even cartoons lion king obetima to boss akwohwe even the lion king
osha a draw be free mo am I falling in love with something
the thing is they are almost slowly indoctrinate you
good
and indoctrination they me can say every spiritual person with agenda
yeah
me am telling me my agenda what till crowd agenda and let's be real
yeah
obia on agenda inti omo no omo ye omo nyoma no omo nim sunsun nyoma inti first omo be catch us sunsun nyoma bi eni ho onim ni nti a wa adwen kon
omo yi wa adwen
inti we yi wa adwen afi hu wie no ade na o se eni ho no na wa start use some principles no against wo some Bible no I say if any saying the battlefield is in the mind.
Yeah.
Bro samba or attack first. Why dream? Just say sunsun nyoma no bibia start fi ha. Into first one catch you say enyami bi eni ho. Sunsun bi eni ho bi lie bi eni ho bi eni. Na fi de didi emu shi ni ho. Ya catch you say shi ni ho wie no. Na fi do ma to obo say use sa principles no. Achimu wadwen e de eni omo pe. Itu bon se si akra obi kraka so yegi kra na ni je ho.
O mama ye wa kono o mama na ye fe
umbisa ho questions and David ya choose sunsun bi eni o nti say o ya de kra na sebe bi enya de papa kra unhu say eye sunsun bi na edi echi obeka say oh we de eye normal is a very normal this year obi a ye den ni ope nti eno ne say
all right my member's question we on say yenya television TV ena yenya telephone
yes
yeah na matese bibi ba that's teleportation minim research kakra waye afam say obetimi akan so
okay with certain things to say yaka teleportation I just moving from one place to another say moving from point A to point B and then teleportation you know?
Okay
and sisi near the cars say first near nantin kwa
yeah
and hu nyansa say emu akradwane sen
okay
nti ye emu afide hu say na emu akra no munya hasa na omude sunsun nyoma ye cars ne na sefo omu use but sisi no omu sua the quantum systems and they be catch sunsun nyoma bi say quantum hoside na
93.1
nti almost sua nyoma bi say quantum leaps and me person make details
okay
a time be ba oti hakra na find so person kwa akra 2 seconds now the be drew akra
2 seconds
enye sisi asem osi
because sisi how free hair quite almost 5 hours
first no o catch
playing 30 minutes
you get okay. Even 50 years 100 years ago catch obi say obetimi move from Kumasi to Accra in 30 minutes obeka so boa no lie but you see a plane ekobada na first year nanti and I go see a fuck time plane you near see a fuck have the plane by ni say o aye see omo ye nyom bi e o suma say so what say wa I say u fi ha call US kra a cha 10 seconds
nti eno sign na ebesi afa ye adwuma
and I make like the science behind it and now soon I want muno too deep
okay
you can't be confusing you nkofo bi but
say ebeba
electromagnetic beams
good can me ba magnet hono
the electromagnetic beams it almost share senyon betima yama you be disintegrate particles are reassemble no still you be alive if it makes sense a long science but I say ye che obi musade na kc but still onwi
see and this artificial intelligence no
the artificial intelligence no in the image of man
okay
send be on be dream to say nipa but omo no once omo ntimi mbre and the o dream be 4 hours 5 hours no abre nje omo no mo brain ti omo na on be dream anti technology nuance neighbor no AI for na yes anya even nipa
okay
nje omo no mo dream because omo programming nyom ni na egum nje omo dream along those lines normal progress say but AI na sisi omo control yen nipa no so
omo na control yen
na sisi oma ma why addicted to BBA technology na first incrofo kan ya addicted to technology o ye phone call watch about 30 minutes 45 minutes so you ka wa person hu ni pa kono but sisi an obitimi craft
ekuta phone 247
see 3 hours no that susum on bisa no say aminsa ya me
e man cry there omo dia ni e say
na what ni shoulder na talking
3 hours na bia wo ye bia wo senior ma wo ye we bibia eso ne function ko
don bisa say adentina mean jane say me konya me na say adena me ye say san on dwen ho
na dwen kra ma so
adena fe ni AI na artificial intelligence oma been brutal oma sie hu say na ye nipa ye dwen fa na even so tie our friends so sometimes some ye wiki do utie some of the advanced AI for now on be catch your plane say nipa ye jimi fo some interview AI one of the best AI on my Oyobam say Lisa or say Alicia
Alicia
omo interview no can plane say nipa ye jimi fo omo ma no chance per obekun bia okay the interview that
not just say
asresem but more can cry
me yantie bi say enche this AI for no be wipe half of human
and it depends on senior ye be ye no
okay
into me crime catching go for we say technology dey you but my technology end dictate okay